Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to leave group in WhatsApp account. So let's started. At first open your WhatsApp. Now click WhatsApp. Now you can say open the WhatsApp account. Now choose from any group. This group in the leave. Now select from menu option. Now click from three dot in the menu and select from other group and select from menu option and leave the group and click from exit group. Now click. Now exit and delete group for me and click from exit group. Now select from exit group. That it's. Now you can see exit group in the leave in WhatsApp account is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.